It's day 2 of our evaporation versus rainfall challenge. See how we went. Look at that. There is water and puddles everywhere. That can only mean one thing. We had rainfall. Alright, we had rainfall last night, so that means it's time to measure. So what we need to do is we need to measure both of our containers to work out how much rainfall we had and how much evaporation occurred. Alright, after we've measured today's rainfall, we're going to empty out our container with our rainwater in it, because then we want to get another measurement tomorrow or the next time it rains to work out how much rainfall we've had per week. Alright, here we are. Thanks to our rocks, it hasn't blown away. As you can see, it was quite wet last night. There is a lot of water around. Let's see how much rainfall we actually had. Have a look at that. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that, but that is about 10 millimeters of rain, I'd say. 10 mil of rain. Alright, so on our journal, I've put today's date, and I've put that last night we had 10 millimeters of rain. Important not to confuse millimeters with centimeters. Now I'm looking at our evaporation, and that's still about 7 centimeters, so that hasn't gone down at all. It was a really cold night, but it was undercover, so I didn't get any rainwater in it, and that stayed the same. That hasn't gone down, so we haven't seen any evaporation. And I'm just going to pop him back down on the table undercover, and we'll leave him for a few more days. But in my journal, I'm gonna put 7 centimeters. Okay, our second jar is still at 7 centimeters. We've seen no evaporation. So you might be wondering, what do I do now with this precious water that I've collected? Well, you can put it back into the garden. Give one of your favourite plants a drink. It's my favourite lemon tree. And there you go, mate. Alright, so he's empty again, and we're just gonna pop that one back in there. Just make sure he's nice and stable, so I'll secure him with a few rocks, and we'll check again tomorrow. Alright, day 2 is in the bag, so just remember, every time it rains you've got to go and measure your rainwater jug, and measure your other one once a week to see how much evaporation is occurring. Hope you're having fun. We'll see you next time it rains.